Hello, welcome back to another beautiful, exciting, money making and an easy to make video. Today, as you can tell from the topic, we are going to learn how to create a beautiful bridal fan. Yeah, for some time now these bridal fans have been trending, and getting to December, I know that there is a possibility that you may be a bride to be, a bridesmaid, a friend to a bride, or a customer to a bride. And so I have decided to share with you how to make this for yourself, for your family, and your prospective customers. I have also uploaded a video on how I embellished this kente beautifully, as you are saying it. I also know the trend of our industry, and so I'll be sharing with you videos or lessons on how to make fascinators as well. I want you to get to the height that when a customer comes to you, she or he may find everything that they want, from fascinator to bridal fan and to kente embellishment. With that said, I want to ask, have you subscribed? If not, what are you waiting for? Kindly click on that red button that says subscribe, and when you are done, click on notification and select all, so that anytime I make an upload, YouTube will notify you to be among the first to watch my videos. To those of you who have been sharing my videos, chop kiss, I love you so much. God bless you. I appreciate your effort and everything towards the growth of this beautiful family. And to those of you who watches the video without commenting, in as much as I appreciate your support, I would also love to get feedback from you, and so try as much as possible to leave comments after watching my videos. With that said, let's dive into the lesson to know how you watching me can create something more beautiful than what I have here. For this project, we are going to use trimmings to cover the handle of the fan, and you will need a fan, a dummy. Yeah, this one I took it from my mother. She was given this at a funeral. And then you will need feathers. The quantity of the feathers depends on how voluminous or how filled you would want the fan to be. And lastly, I have here my glue gun with a glue stick. If you have UHU, that is fine. And I will be using my scissors to cut. Whatever we are going to do here, you will do the same thing behind. As for the feathers, you can use as many as you want. It's supposed to be 2. This one is 2 yards, that is 36 centimeters by 2. So I think 72 centimeters. I know it will not be enough, but I have one more which I cannot find. So for the purpose of this lesson, we are going to limit ourselves to only this feather, but you can use more. Okay, I know some of you would ask where you can get these materials. When you go to Sister Girl in Kumasi, she has everything together with beads. But in Accra, the bead shops, the typical bead shops, they deal only with beads. I've not been in Accra for some time now, so I cannot tell if they have started. But in the Mokola shopping mall, not the new story building, but the old one, there are lots of millinery shops in that building. So when you ask around, I'm sure that you'll be directed to where you can get some. If you are using the glue gun, you have to be switching it on and off as and when the need arises. If not, you are going to be wasting the glue. And it will be a loss. So don't do that. I'm going to cut a small amount of the trimmings to cover this part. Then I would apply some when the glue is melted, it becomes hot. So we are going to just roll it beautifully like this. So you would want to apply the glue as and when you deem fit. Please subscribe for me if you have not done so, and also invite others to come and watch my videos. Those of you who shares out my videos, I am so grateful. I appreciate each one of you so much. And to you who is a first-time guest on this platform, you are welcome. Please feel at home. Make yourself comfortable. I know you are going to love this platform because I have videos on beads, I vlog, and then I also have videos. I also make videos on food and also our Ghanaian culture. So please familiarize yourself with any of the playlists or the videos. I know you are going to love this platform. So we are done. I am going to cut I would advise that you don't cut the trimmings. If it's bulk like this, don't cut, just roll as you go. If you cut them, sometimes it will go waste, and you wouldn't want that. So the next step is how to put the feathers on the dummy. And like I have said, it all depends on the pocket of the customer. Yeah, so how much you charge the person will determine how big or small the work is going to be. So we are going to apply a little glue, then you put the feather on, you press it on. When you are doing it, you have to smear it on the sheet. Don't put it like this. And yes, I a too puffy, so you have to smear it. We are rough like that. So if you are going to make this for a customer, you have to defend the price. You should be able to tell her or him why you are charging that much, because they will think that it is something simple, something that they are going to use once, and they might argue or try to bargain. Yes, it's good to bargain with them, but you have to be careful. Either than that, you would run at a loss. So know the price of your raw materials before you quote your prices. At this point, I will cut and glue this part down beautifully like this. Then we'll begin another row. So I still have some and I don't want to cut, so I want to fill it now. I know this is how big it's going to be, but I want to fill the spaces in between with the rest. So I'm going to go around it. Just so many. Yes, so at this point, I want to add the flower. Then we will cut the excess off. So this is the end of the project. Is it not gorgeous? It is beautiful. I know you love it. So this is just an example. I did not have enough feathers like I have been saying, but I am happy with what I could achieve with the few feathers available. So what we have done here, you have to do the same thing behind. I trust in your capabilities. I know you are going to mesmerize me with your work. So make yours and send me pictures on my WhatsApp page, and I'll upload all of them here for the rest of the world to know what you can also do. On this note, I want to say thank you for watching from the beginning up to this time. My dear, whenever you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me. I leave you with the peace and the message of the Most High. Peace, respond, shalom. Bye-bye.